Welcome back to Spy Garage.
Redefining transportable luxury and technological integration, the 2027 Prevost Smart Home RV is a conceptual masterpiece. This ambitious project turns the iconic Prevost chassis, a mainstay of high-end motorhomes, into a completely automated, intelligent, and self-sufficient mobile house. This car is a new paradigm in luxury travel, not just a new model. The 2027 Prevost Smart Home RV's exterior would be a masterful example of tasteful minimalism. It would have a smooth, nearly monolithic body shell without any obvious seams or external hardware, all while maintaining the iconic Prevost form. A multi-layered, self-healing ceramic coating that is resistant to scratches and environmental damage would be used as the paint. The most remarkable feature would be the dynamic smart glass windows, which offer seclusion and a refined appearance by immediately switching from transparent to completely opaque. The vehicle's numerous systems would be powered silently by a huge solar array mounted on the roof. Entering the 2027 Prevost Smart Home RV is like entering a high-tech future home. The interior seamlessly combines cutting-edge technology with opulent materials. These dynamic displays are more than simply walls. They can project any kind of scenery, artwork, or video. Sections of the floor and ceiling may be raised, lowered, or slid to create new spaces, while the furniture is modular and customizable. With robotic arms that can cook and a smart refrigerator that automatically orders supplies and keeps track of inventory, the kitchen is completely automated. With a bed that adapts to the user's sleeping habits and a circadian rhythm lighting system that aids in regulating the body's internal clock, the Master Suite is a haven of comfort, incredible features, easily accessible technology. The 2027 Prevost Smart Home RV's main artificial intelligence technology is called Prevost. The learning assistant Prevost oversees all areas of the motorhome. It becomes aware of the preferences of the residents, foreseeing their requirements and modifying the surroundings appropriately. Augmented reality navigation, real-time navigation, points of interest, and safety alerts are superimposed into the road ahead using the windshield's dual function as an augmented reality display. Biometric security. The RV is protected with biometric scanners that can identify its inhabitants via voice, face, and fingerprint identification. Advanced filtration systems. The car has a water filtration system that makes any water source safe to drink and a cutting-edge air purification system that eliminates 99.9% of contaminants. Fully autonomous driving. Without requiring any physical input, the RV can navigate and drive itself, freeing up its occupants to unwind and enjoy the trip. Integrated wellness. The RV's integrated wellness system keeps an eye on the health and happiness of its residents. It can cook nutritious meals, recommend exercises, and even call a doctor in case of an emergency. The 2027 Prevost Smart Home RV is essentially a living, breathing object that anticipates and meets the requirements of its passengers, rather than just a car. It is proof of what can be achieved when cutting-edge technology and creative design come together to create an unbounded home.